I also have other bags inside my bag para hindi siya super lagkit sa katawan. Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Rizza and I talk about business, my imperfect zero-waste life, and skincare. For today's video, we are currently on a work trip, so I thought I'd show you guys kung ano yung mga usual na dala ko when I travel. Especially now na pandemic. So, ayun nga, we are currently on a work trip and I'll just quickly run through yung mga ginagamit na, mga dinadala ko for travel. Dalawang categories tayo today. First is personal. Next is yung work essentials ko. So, whenever I travel, hindi ako minimalist. Today, I have 3 bags. Ito, yung first bag ko. It's just my luggage for my clothes, so nothing interesting. Hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo yun. But the second one is my skincare bag. This is my skincare bag. Kaya siya malaki kasi dinadala ko na lahat ng products na pwede ring ma-shoot. So, currently, I have LANA products kasi sayang pumunta kami ng beach. So, shoot ko yung LANA and MINK. Tapos ngayon, it's by the pool. Lahat ng mga pwede na, dinala ko na yung MINK, LANA, TALAALA, WHIM, at Ambush. Kasi, content is life. So, anyway, sige na. Start na tayo for the personal category. My toiletries, of course. This I have with me, the stasher na lalagyan, and my toothbrush and toothpaste. I put it here kasi madalas, diba, basa yung toothbrush natin. So, mas gustong nakasecure siya ng ganito. And, napakalaki kong skincare bag. I have here lahat ng MINK and LANA products. Alam nyo na naman na yun. So, I'll just quickly do this. Yeah, so I have the I Am Beautiful scrub. I also like using this when I travel kasi kapag kunwari nasa pool ka or magbe-beach ka, usually sobrang dry magiging dry yung katawan mo. So I like exfoliating and making it soft and supple. And then with me, another one is MINK's Pre-Tits Boob Mask. Can I just really quickly marvel on the new packaging? Sobrang proud mama. Alam nyo na yun. Next is the Happy Nippy. I'll also put links down below ng mga products na nandito. Hindi ko na siya i-elaborate kasi baka bukas pa tayo matapos. Next is the Bring Me to Life Serum. Next is ang Bikini. I know your favorite. And then we can go in with the LANA products. I currently have with me yung Sunblock, DNA, and Argan. Laneige, my ultimate favorite. I also have a backup lalagyan just in case mawala or maubos or whatever. My Lash and Brow Growth Serum. My Solwaso Gentle Cleansing Oil. Ang ating OG Beauty Water Sun and Park Toner. And last but not the least, I have the Happy Skin Hyaluronic Plus B3 Water Boost Water Cream. Alam ko meron pa eh. Ito pa pala. Yung Gentle Cleanser ng LANA PH. And then I also have with me itong Aveeno lotion. I love this kasi hindi siya super lagkit sa katawan, unlike any other lotions I tried. It has soothing oat and almond oil. I used the one in baby pink na lalagyan. And this is my Dio. It's Sion Whitening Roll-On from New Skin. I love this one. And then for my soap and shampoo, I have, of course, the LANA PH Age-Defying Soap. And this one is a shampoo bar. So now we're done with our skincare bag. Yun, kasi yung systems ko with my bag, I also have other bags inside my bag para hindi ako alam mo yun, it won't be a black hole inside my bag. So, ayan. Systems. Next is my makeup kit. Nothing interesting. Wala masyadong ganap dito. Nakita nyo naman na to before kapag may mga get ready with me videos. But I'll quickly show you. First is this 3CE Take a Layer blush. It's in Cabbage Rose. Got this from Beauty Manila. I like this so much. Next is this Sunny's Fluff Matte and Matte. I use this as a bronzer. Kasi, alam nyo na yun na sobrang sensitive ng lips ko. Kahit ang ganda-ganda nito, it's just not for me. But I use this as my blush. Ito, actually. Itong dalawa. Concealer. I have 2 concealers. Not sure why. I currently use the Maybelline New York's... ano bang tawag dito? Ang shade ko is 25. Medium. And this one, I got this from Sephora. It's called Bright Future Smoothing and Brightening Concealer. I have the shade na 02. And then for my highlighter, I have this OG Becca Champagne Pop. Ginagamit ko na to for years now. Probably expired. But, sayang eh. Huwag tularan. Tapos, ang tita nyo, of course, I can never leave the house without my oils. I have this one. It's a calm oil. Ano siya, ang concoction nito is LANA PH argan oil plus 10 drops of lavender oil. Young Living lavender oil. And then this one, for some reason, pag nagta-travel kami, kasi kami ni Josh, pag nagta-travel kami sa totoo lang, ang itinerary namin, laging lahat restaurants. So, we really love eating. And kapag kunwari may pupuntahan kaming lugar, ang una kong ita-type is best restaurants in blank. Like for example, if you go to Tagaytay right now, best restaurants in Tagaytay. Tapos yun yung nasa itinerary namin. Kaya ako to dala kasi kapag TMI to, pero lagi akong either kinakabag or ine-empacho. So, I bring this with me all the time. This really helps with all the gassiness inside my tummy. And, ayun, I love this. It's a tita hack. What else is on my makeup kit? I have my super duper old Nichido brush. Ano ba tawag dito? Brush? Makeup brush? Ano ba yan? Wala. Tanungin nyo na ako sa skincare lang, wag lang sa makeup. Anyway, eto, super old na nito. And, tinuhugasan ko naman, friends, once in a while. Pero I love this kasi multi-purpose siya. Pwede siyang yung matigas, kapag ganyan lang. And then, pwede siyang floof, like that, kapag in-extend ko siya ng super baba. I'm not sure if that's really how it works, but that's how I use it. Next one is... tanggal pa. Next one is this, ano ba tawag dito? Angled brush. Angled brush by, I don't know what brand this is, pero bamboo ano siya. This is what I use for my highlighters. Ito naman, this one is a beauty blender. I should probably wash this already. I use this to blend my concealer. Ayun, yun lang yung makeup kit ko. Nothing interesting. Nothing fancy, smanchy. And, yeah, since I have pixie cut hair, I use pomade. Ito ang gamit ko ngayon. Nice, guys. This is a brand by the barber shop where I go to. Tapos, baba. I have this Kiehl's. Dito ko naman nilalagay yung mga cleaning tools ko for my face. I have the Foreo Luna 3 here and the Foreo Bare Mini. Dito ko sila nilalagay. Tapos, I also have my menstrual cup with me. I know TMI, pero just in case. What's inside here? Ito pa, yung gel na gamit ko for the Foreo Bare Mini. It's supposed to be serum, pero ang mahal, tsaka hindi ko mahanap dito sa Philippines. So, ito na lang. Dito tayo sa Moray. Personal. I also brought my exercise band. I try to squeeze in workout. Kahit hindi ko pa talaga na siya nagawa buong trip. Sana bukas magawa ko na siya. Yeah, so I use this for as booty bands kasi matagal ko nang gustong mag-grow ng butt. But, hindi pa rin siya natutupad. So, I hope I will have the discipline to do it ASAP. Kasi sabi din ni Josh. But I'm not doing this for anyone. I'm doing this for myself. Or not. For my husband too. Growing my butt.
I approve.
Ayun. Also, non-zero waste. Please do not bash me. But this is real talk. We have an imperfect zero waste life. I still cannot leave the house without this one, cleansing wipes. I cannot travel without this because especially now na pandemic, lahat kailangan natin punasan and all. More personal stuff, I have our medicines. I pre-pack or pre-prep our vitamins already. Ang cute, no? Kaka-receive ko lang nito. I got this from Lazada. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung print. And it's also categorized. Naka-label din siya by date. Day. Naka-label din siya by date. And then, I also have my melatonin with me. I love this kapag hindi ako makatulog. Dala ko rin to. And then, another pouch, another bag. This is where we put yung mga pang-emergency naman. Yung mga band-aids, mga Lola Remedios. Oh my gosh, Lola Remedios is life. Ano po ang dito? Mga pang-sipon. Just in case, sipon, biogesic, deflam, etc. That's it. That's for my personal ganaps. And then, of course, whenever I travel, I like putting my thoughts into paper. So, my journals. I will always have my journals with me. And then, yun nga, kahit nagta-travel kami, I always squeeze in time for my systems and routines para lang din, wala lang, may kaayusan sa buhay. So, yeah, I always like having my journals with me, my everyday journals with me.